News, a wonderful channel on the ground to bring you amazing views and get wonderful shows from different places, cities, countries, and touching on different personalities that are shaping the way we live. And we are here at Uhuru Park at the Nairobi Festival, and you can see we have a number of stalls, different startups, and you can see my background. We have, they say it's Lukhu. For those who understand Swahili, Lukhu, Lukhu, venye unavaa viatu nini, and we want to have an exclusive overview of what they do, what they are solving, and how they are getting to Kenyans. So you can be sure that these are some of the businesses that exist in Kenya, and you yourself, you can also do these businesses, or you can order these their shoes, bus, and a number of elements. So you can be sure to visit them online. So let's get to hear from the founders. Welcome on board. This is Shifting News. Tell us who you are.
My name is Reynolds Mungai, founder and CEO at Lukhu. Lukhu is an e-commerce platform that enables Africans to buy, sell, and discover amazing fashion online. Okay. So currently we have over 440 sellers who listed over 60,000 items on the app, and we've had over 2,500 customers. We launched in April. So on the platform you can get both second-hand clothes, you can get new clothes, you can get shoes, you can get accessories, basically anything to make you look good and feel good. We have this platform. Okay. Yeah.
So what problem are you trying to solve, and are you just targeting Kenyans alone?
So my co-founder Miles and myself have been running fashion businesses before. So for him, he used to run a thrift business for 6+ years, and myself, I used to design clothes for about 6 years. So I've also worked in tech as a designer. So we basically came together to solve some of the problems we were seeing. So one of the problems being fulfillment, so logistics, how you deliver items, as well as payments, security of payment. So on our platform, for example, we have an escrow wallet that when you're purchasing an item, you will make the payment, but the payment will be held in escrow until you receive your item. Okay. So once you receive your item and you confirm it's okay, the vendor can then be able to withdraw the money from the investor. So for fulfillment, on the other side, we have two types of fulfillment. We have doorstep delivery, where we pick the item from the seller and bring it to your home or office. And at the same time, we also have neighborhood agent stores, where you can opt to go and pick up your item from one of our participating agents.
Okay. Yeah. And now, can I access it online? Or
yeah. So we have an app on iOS and on Android, and we also have our website as well.
So I can just download the app right now?
Yeah.
Okay,
for sure.
So what's the procedure?
So you go, if you're on Android, you just go to the Play Store. You go to the Play Store and search for Lukhu.
So we have Play Store.
Yeah.
And then I go to
search for Lukhu, L-U-K-H. Then just tap on it.
And how many reviews? We have 1K downloads.
Yeah, we have over 1K downloads. So we are moving out of beta into our version 1. So we gave people early access, and the reception has been wonderful. So
okay.
Yeah.
So once one installs,
once you install,
then you register.
You can now sign up. You will use your username. We recommend people to use their Instagram username, mostly because it's easy to remember. Then you input your phone number, because that's what we use on your wallet, and then you create a strong password as well.
Okay.
And your email. So we use your email to send you like any deals that we are having, any new items that have been listed, to basically personalize the experience for you.
Okay, and what are some of the... I think you have already mentioned some of the products.
Yeah.
But maybe you can give us an exclusive overview of the products.
Yeah, so actually even at Nairobi Festival, all the items you're seeing around are by some of our vendors. We have a really nice guy called Butayo who sells amazing jackets for men. He sells shorts as well, he sells hats. We have a store called Nairobi that sells amazing shoes at great prices. So basically with majority of our sellers, what we've been trying to do is also standardize the pricing, so that we don't have predatory pricing that you've seen before on other platforms online. So we reduce the scamming opportunities for like frivolous merchants.
Okay.
And then we also give you sort of like the best pricing. Because it's 440 and above merchants on the platform.
Yes.
We are now seeing some semblance of sense when it comes to prices. So we are seeing people now giving prices that are actually fair to the consumer, while they can still make a profit because they're exposed to like thousands of customers now. Yeah.
And in terms of delivery, the pricing, does it depend where the individual is?
Yeah.
Like maybe someone is in Mombasa needs to order something from maybe the seller is in Nairobi.
Yeah, so around metropolitan area in Nairobi, the delivery maximum is 200 shillings.
Okay.
And then anyway, we've delivered all the way to Diani, where we charge up to 300 shillings.
Oh.
Yeah. So
nice.
when you look at that price, you see 300 to Diani is actually cheaper than what you'd actually pay some vendors delivering in Nairobi.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So in short, you are leveraging on technology.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
now that's where we are headed.
Yeah. Yeah.
So someone can just order while in the house.
Yeah, technology is here with us, so it's up to us to make use of it.
Okay.
And for us, since we've been in the fashion business,
Yes.
it felt important for us to just basically enable the ecosystem for fashion consumption in Kenya and Africa as a whole through tech. Yeah.
Okay. That's a nice idea. And we shall be making our first purchase to gauge
Yeah, we have.
the seamless operations
Yeah.
of the company.
And you can give us feedback when you check on the app. You'll actually see there's a chatbot at the bottom right. In case you have any issues, you can just reach out to us directly. We'll respond in real time or within 1 to 2 hours
Okay.
to solve any of your issues. The beauty of the platform, if you also want to talk to a seller, we have a chat functionality.
Oh.
If you have any questions regarding sizing, fit, you can just talk to the seller directly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so
and
much.
we hope to hear more from you.
Awesome.
And we hope that you'll grow even to the world.
Thank you.
Maybe
Thank
to
you.
South
That's
Africa.
our plan. That's our plan. We want to impact 50 million Africans by 2030
Yes.
across the continent. So
Thank you.
Thank you as well.
I'm privileged.
Thank you as well.
Thank you. Thank you for watching up to this far. Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell to ensure you receive all notifications once we upload a new video. Thank you and see you in our next video.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.